Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Mike Santoli. Retail stocks getting crushed on Tuesday. L Brands plunging 12% following earnings, with Target and Lowe's sinking on their quarterly reports as well. The XRT retail ETF now down 7% in just the last week. So can investors find any opportunity here amid the wreckage? Matt Maley's with Miller Tabak, Michael Bapis with Vios Advisors at Rockefeller Capital Management. Michael, you know, one of the most widely held assumptions, it seems, of investors is that whatever else is going on in the world, the domestic consumer was set up pretty well, and brick and mortar stores were basically right there to benefit from that environment. Has anything changed in that scenario? Do we have to be worried about spending this holiday season?
I think you do. There are obviously a lot of nerves out there. Everyone's panicked. Numbers came in a little bit below estimates from whisper numbers and regular numbers. And I think on the retail side, people are really nervous to see what happens Black Friday, what happens through the next 6 weeks for the retailers. And you're also seeing survival of the fittest in the industry. I mean, you have the Amazon effect that's taking over. You have many of these companies that are going to go bankrupt or have gone bankrupt. So you're going to see the cream rise to the top. I believe that there are retailers that are positioned. They need to have a super quality customer experience or something in the brand that draws people to continue to go there. Otherwise, you're seeing a massive shift in the industry.
And Matt, I mean, the overall sector, it has rallied earlier this year. It's come in a lot. Do you see it as being set up to bounce here, or is it going to underperform more?
I think it actually could set up for a bounce. You know, it's funny, as you mentioned, the XRT looks absolutely horrible today. You're getting crushed hard, but I like to look at the XLY Consumer Discretionary ETF, which obviously gives you a little bit broader view of what's going on with the consumer. And although it's certainly come down, it's interesting that it's retesting its October lows, but it's doing so on lower volume today. So there seems to be less selling pressure, number one. Number two, it's still well above its trend line going back to the 2016 lows. So that's another positive. And I just think that the amount of bearishness in the market overall, in this group and in the market overall, is getting extreme. And I think you're going to see a little bit of a bounce back soon. Could actually be a sharp one. And if there's going to be a surprise in any sector, at least over the next 5 to 6 weeks, it could actually come for the retail group.
All right. Well, we're a lot of people waiting for a long-awaited bounce in the broad market. This group in particular, Black Friday coming up. We'll see how that goes. Matt and Michael, thanks a lot for joining us today, and thank you for watching Trading Nation. I'm Mike Santoli. We'll see you next time.